morning, everyone. This is Shirley. It is Friday. Happy Friday to everyone. As you can see, I have a lot of projects going on, and I'm loving it. I'm having a great time. I have to say this is the best summer I have had in a long time, despite things that's going on. And before I go any further, I want to tell E, the empty nester, I love you so much, and you are such a wonderful person. You guys hear me talk about her all the time. She's been by my side, even though we're miles apart every day. And sometimes we forget that just saying something nice or encouraging someone, what she did for me, for the whole year going on year 2, was something that I needed. And sometimes you don't know you need those things. So when someone gives you a compliment or say something nice about your objects or you, take it gracefully and be thankful. They're just showing a little bit of love. So anyway, you guys see, I'm going to go down. I got my coffee here. Okay. I have been working. This right here is a alpaca cotton and something ball from Ice Yarn. I have plenty of those. It's really soft. You guys know the green that I did with the what do you call it? The oh, come on, mine, work with me. I'm live. No. The top, the little top that I made. And that top is gone. 2 of them are gone. I kept the original one. So this one is here. This is a cotton. This I'm working on right now with this Ice Yarn is a cotton. This one is acrylic. It's finished. It just needs to be sewn together. This one is that yarn. If you ever bought yarn, I don't know who it was from. Dog it. I'll put it all below. It's you get one of those free yarns, look like baby yarn, but it's a merino, and I mixed it with some yarn thread, and it turned out like that. This one here is a cotton. It's really rough. I bought it. It's Ice Yarn. My plan was to make a top out of it. You remember that blue top that I made? I was waiting for that, but it's really thin. Let me show you how thin this yarn is. Sorry for those nails again. So funny. Okay, I got this, and then on this hand, nothing. Okay, it takes too long to dry. I got things to do. So anyway, you can see how thin that pink yarn is. And of course, my favorite I love. I don't even want to wear it to work. It's so beautiful. It's this Egyptian cotton one. It's nice. My size. So yeah, you guys, I have been doing that. My sweater is practically completed. I need to block it and put the sleeves on, which is not much, and I'll be showing you guys that. I'm very happy with what I'm doing. Oh yeah, and this is the hat that I'm working on, that the 50, you know, I was trying to compare how far I would go with the 50-gram ball as compared to the other one, so we'll see. Anyway, I may add to this if it's not enough, and then I'll realize that 50 grams is not enough for an adult hat, and they were right, I was wrong, or I can actually put this hat on my head, and they just did not put enough yarn on those balls, and that's the hat in a ball type thing. Okay, you guys, it's almost 5 minutes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and remember to be the best that you can be. Why not? Why not? There's so much ugliness, and people are not showing their best. If we showed our best, this would be a wonderful world. Take care. Bye-bye.